Hey people, so see, I have these cute little sweethearts with me. There are two of them I have on my lap because it's that's what as always it's a Sunday and I'm all set to Sundays I go back to Bajpali, right? So that's what as of these 2 3 days I've been reading this one book. It's the Korean book called The Power of Nunchi. It's been said that Korea is actually, the world knows South Korea because North Korea is there's it's like an iron curtain or whatever. But the power of Nunchi speaks of the fact that despite not having the kind of exposure that other countries get, Korea is now it's on the world map in terms of people want to learn K-pop culture, Korean pop culture, and all that can be attributed to this one thing called the power of Nunchi. Nunchi being basically it's all about people who have that extra level of empathy, like this young rabbit here. So it is so Power of Nunchi. It is a book I would highly recommend because it is just so unique. And this is a crazy video, and it's already crossed 1 minute. So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.